14 5 forecast with Chief Meteorologist Harvey Leonard.
All right, many aspects to the upcoming storm, but heavy snow, very strong winds, potentially somewhat damaging, especially along the coast, and the blizzard conditions, which will be most pronounced along the coast. Yet Boston looks so clear out there now at 31 degrees with a west to northwest wind. But look at the colder air coming down from the north. At this hour, it's already down to 3 in Ottawa and 7 in Quebec City. That's where our air is coming from. You get the cold air into place, and then you take a storm, bring it off the East Coast, let it to develop over the warmer waters, clashing with the bitter cold air. That's a classic major nor'easter, textbook case for eastern and southern New England to get walloped with a big snowstorm. So it redevelops and comes up, and did you see that snow blossom? And that's what's going to happen tomorrow night into Tuesday morning, as Heather mentioned, for the very heaviest part of the storm. Clouds thicken tomorrow. Some ocean effect flurries could break out around noon or early afternoon, but it's late afternoon that we watch the snow build up from the south with the ocean storm. And then it really overspreads the area tomorrow night. And once we get to later tomorrow night into Tuesday morning, we're talking 2 or 3 inch per hour snows at times in parts of the area. That piles up in a hurry, and it's tremendously wind-driven with an awful lot of drifting. Look how slow this is. Now we're Tuesday at 6 p.m. There's a chance of some mixing on the Cape or even a change to rain on Nantucket, but the rest of the region for sure stays all snow. Temperatures, well, they actually may inch up to 29, 30 in Boston, making the first half of the storm slightly wetter in terms of the nature of snow, especially along the coast. But then it gets colder on Tuesday when the wind shifts to the north and it becomes a drier snow, but still keeps piling up. And cold weather remains. It's a very cold pattern. Now, don't panic yet. But this is the snowiest model I've seen, but I've seen another one that's quite a bit less. Same idea, though. I think split the difference, kind of, and you pretty much have what I expect. 18 to 24 inches or more, slightly less on the Cape, but most especially less on Nantucket, and also less far to the north and west. Get to the 7-day in a second, but Mike wants to talk about that wind.
Yes, Harvey, indeed. You know, we're talking about this storm winding up, and the winds are going to be ferocious. Look at some of these winds down towards the Cape. We are talking about hurricane-strength winds. That's the reason we're going to be dealing with some damaging winds. Power outages are going to be likely, and obviously the coastal flooding that we talked about a little bit earlier. So when do these winds really ramp up? Well, between now and 5 o'clock tomorrow, you can see the gusts that we're talking about. They're breezy, but they're not bad. After 5 o'clock, they get really strong overnight. Tuesday morning during that high tide, they're tremendously strong, and they're staying strong most of Tuesday. Eventually, Tuesday night, they do start to wind down, but even then, those are gusty winds. But by that point, they're out of the north, which is going to help us along the coast. Harvey?
All right, thanks, Mike. We're talking about 36-hour duration of snow, which finally ends by early Wednesday. There is a chance of some additional snow either Thursday night or Friday. That doesn't look anything like this, but it could be more accumulating snow. And overall, we're going to be in a very cold weather pattern. The snow that's going to fall is not going anywhere fast. I'm meteorologist Harvey Leonard.